Okay, so yesterday we flew up into the clouds. Today we're going to do that, but with the bigger drone, my Phantom 4 Pro. Let's record right now. There it is right now. So the clouds are at 200 feet. Hope you enjoy. Okay, we're at 350 feet up. We're gonna do a little orbit. We're like literally in the cloud. I'm gonna orbit the camera down so you can see we are literally inside the cloud. And we're real slow so you can kind of see. And then I'm gonna look up, move the gimbal up. But yeah, we are inside the cloud. I have good connection, and I can see. So here's a look down where we are, and I'm going really slow so I can show you. But yeah, I'm right there. Well, let's go up a little higher. Let's see if we can get up the clear station at around 400 feet up. These are new propellers I'm trying out right now. There you go. I can barely see myself. But yeah, look at this. We're inside of a cloud. Hopefully it doesn't rain. And I just wanted to show you guys. So if you live in Sacramento, you live somewhere in this cloud, outside this cloud. So I'm gonna come down a little bit. Get under 400 feet. But yeah, we are definitely inside of a cloud right now. It's going to come down really slowly because there's a lot of moisture in the air. The humidity is at 96%, so it's very, very high. And you see them right there. Lower down to 350 feet. Now we're going to go up so you guys can see the cloud. And I'm just going to come down really slow through the clouds. As you see, the clouds are really thick today. They're really thick. Okay, now we're going to come down a little bit. Slowly, and you're gonna see the clouds as they thin out because we're really slow. We got to get under 400 feet. We're just over 400 feet just for a second. But yeah. But yeah, look at that. Look at those clouds. Okay, let's get a good look around. That's me right down there. But let's look up really slow. You guys can get a good view of just how thick this cloud is in Sacramento right here. So if you, I'm not trying to be the weatherman, but if you live in Sacramento, it might rain here in the next day or so. I'm sneaking into flight right now. Look at this. Really thick clouds. And it's 46 degrees outside. It's just, you know. So let's fly over here a little bit. Through the clouds. And as you see, yeah, I'm not really flying very fast, but yeah, my sensors are like, wow. So you see that? Look, there is nothing but clouds out here. Trying to do one more orbit. And then we're just going to come back and land. It's been a cool little flight. Got to show you guys, you know, what it is to be inside of a cloud. So we're going to fly back right now. I'm going to tilt the camera up so you guys can fly through the clouds. Okay, now we're going to come down slowly. I'm going to aim the camera down. I am down here somewhere. I'm just going to go down and we're going to land. I don't want to make the video too long. Sorry about that. I'll come down right here. And this thing has precision landing. So we're going to try this out. I'm going to try it out right now. Since my hands are freezing. And it is cold.